keep on, don't break it, don't break it, yes, yes, yo, yes, and you don't, I keep yes, yo, and you break it down, I keep yes, yo, yes, and you don't, I keep on, don't break it, yes, yes, yo, and you don't, I keep yes, yo, break it down, I keep.
Put one up a shackle me, not clean logic procreation. I did not invent the wheel, I was the crooked spoke adjacent while the triple sixers last.
Hello everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here. So I found this pretty cool gazebo, and it's been pretty fun to fly. It's got a park behind it the kids are playing in. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, so I got the 75 Pro out here. There's kind of a lot of people, so I'm trying not to interfere with them too much. There's a little bit of a field behind me. See this guy walking through. I'm trying to fly a little bit in, but yeah. Stay tuned. I'll have some flight footage so you guys can check it out.
Yeah. Shit talk extraordinaire. Print motherfucking matic. I got like 8 bars to kill. Time to spill. I'm in the place with motherfucking Ace Rizzle. Ace Riggedy Rock. You know what I'm saying? The engineer from section right here. I spit with an immense amount of power. Spark slang showers. Cowards cower underneath our storm clouds that indicate the acid rain hours. Now or never, ever. Ending on a bad note. Gripping a crab's throat for spitting a bad quote.
Blueprint, what's your approach?
I smash black folk and white folk alike for jokes with mics. And make a Kodak moment out of the most boring open mic. I'll make a sad fan appreciate rap again. Fuck around and forget just how whack it's been. I'm a bad man.
Why that?
I catch bullets in my molars, body slam boas, then take flight with the weight of the world on my shoulders. And play David Blaine on any chains that hold us. What started out as food for thought, turning her thoughts to turning crews into food in hopes to satisfy my insatiable appetite to dine on life forms. Small planets and satellites, your solar system is my condiment. I vomit comets and don't sweat the small things and nonsense. Every dog has its day and even more so in rhyming. So I decided that I never played a fire hydrant or grab the mic sounding lazy, worn down and tired. Cats don't really fall off, they just get uninspired. But before you get a reason to ever diss us, I'll drop an ill LP and disappear like Bobby Fischer. But this is the building block of all that is, and what it is alchemy.
Alchemy, basic with a touch of wild wonder. Alchemy, we made this to take your style under. Metal frame, walking through a metal game with a limb tight grip, determined not to let time slip. This is alchemy, iron B-boy in all its glory. Alchemy, golden from the coldest sobs. Metal frame, walking through a metal game with a limb tight grip, determined not to let time slip. Dirty destiny. Burdened murders with a burnt virgin of peasantry. Nervous flirts flirting with hurly-burly chemistry. Graffiti burner urchin merging with a certain herd to jerk and serve your centerpiece. My zigzag fully balanced gallops with a fiery outline. Bound to bomb y'all pastel poets belly up.
I'll tell you what.
One style in 4 dimensions, count 'em. 3 to take it to your muck. 1 to build the world you'll never touch. And I'm a pilot. Delirium, searing, poison arrangement. Come browse through an idyllic storm and suck the raw enslavement with a grim style stinger creeping out the basement. Encased in wild, ritualistic visions of sacrificial bitch cadence. For all my iron giant soldiers with a metal fist up, shielding Mother Nature from a fatal wrist cut. Story, I respect you.
So why they blaming you for the cats that sleep while the earth turns?
Yeah, I had 'em up all night praying I'd re-release music for earthworms. Breathe even, a lean squeamish, script milestone like ring ring ring. I just caught the scream, Phoenix click dial tone. Welcome to